In this video, we are going to create a cover for a children's picture book to be sold through Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing using Canva. Trim size refers to the physical dimensions of your printed book, which is length and width measured in inches or centimeters. You can select a trim size in KDP as you are creating your book. Next, we need the page count for this book whose cover we are creating. To do that, on this computer anyway, we'll first open a Finder window. The book file is currently in the Preview folder, so we'll open that. And here it is. We'll open that file by double-clicking it. Knock, knock. And on a macOS computer, a PDF will automatically open by default with the Preview app. We'll scroll down the page thumbnails here, admiring my own handiwork. And we see that the total number of pages in this book is 42. We'll begin by searching for KDP cover calculator. This is it. Click the link. Enter your book information. Paperback. Premium color. Paper type, white. It's the only selection. Reading direction, left to right. Measurement units. We measured in inches, so we'll go with that. Interior trim size. 8.5 by 8.5. Page count. 42. Calculate dimensions. And here they are. You can also download a template. And here it is. The meaning of gotcha is an unexpected, usually disconcerting challenge, revelation, or catch. If we get info on this template file via a context menu or secondary menu, get info, we see that the width of this file is 10,408 pixels. We'll copy that, and then we will Command Tab over to the online pixels to inches converter here. Paste. convert. We see that the width of this file in inches is just over 108. This is way too wide to be a book cover. So we'll open up one of these KDP template files. Either one will do. Knock, knock. And this is the info that we need. We will first write down these dimensions. Next, here in Canva, we'll create a design. Custom size. Inches for units. (17.349) width. Height 8.750. Create a design. And here is our blank canvas. We'll begin by uploading our template file. Can't upload PDFs to Canva, so we'll make sure to select the PNG file. And then we'll drag it onto our canvas. Make sure it covers the whole thing. And it locks into place. Next, we'll drag an image onto our template. We'll use this one for example. Now we'll position and resize it. We'll make the canvas smaller so we can see the whole thing. Make sure the image covers the entire canvas. And looks good. You can search for any images that you would like to use in your cover or any project you are creating with Canva. We will select and position this image to be used as the background for the back cover. We'll check the transparency. And for the back cover in particular, we'll keep an eye on that barcode. Next, we'll select another image to be used as the background for the front cover. Here we're demonstrating how you can have two different images for your front and back covers. We'll go ahead and delete this one. Zoom out. And then we'll expand this image to cover the entire template for a wraparound cover. Make sure you cover the entire template area. And we've done so here. Next, we'll select the text tool. We'll use the add a heading and then type in the title for this book, Technology Skills for Kids. We'll position it, resize the text box. You could change the font size. It's well within the template guidelines, which is what we want. We'll select a different font, which will be IBM Plex Mono in this example, as it's a techie font. Next, we'll select a book cover image. Child using computer. This one would work. Position it. We could also search for elements, meaning graphics, instead of photos. We'll delete this and use this one instead. An illustration would be a better pick for this book than a photo. And it's in the guidelines. We'll move it over to the left just a bit. Looks nice and centered. Next up will be my author name credit. Text. Add a subheading. It doesn't really matter, as we can resize the text and change its font. And that's me, centered under the image. We'll select a different font for it. We'll go with IBM Plex Mono again. Reposition it. Looks good. Next, we'll do the back cover. Add a text box, and then we'll type in the text we want to appear on the back cover. Teaching kids safe, responsible, and productive technology use. By the way, Canva will auto-save your work. Drag it over here. Change its font size. Position it. And we'll give it a different font for the sake of example. We'll type in story and select that one. Check the transparency and we'll move it over. Just center it on the back cover. Now we'll select an image, which is going to be a bee, as Be Careful is one of the featured characters in this series of Technology Help for Kids picture books. Text, And we'll put in the Technology Skills for Kids web address. And we'll widen the text box and position it. The cover is coming together now. We'll do a final transparency check. And the web address and the barcode are overlapping a bit, so we need to fix that. We can make the web address smaller. That would work. Or reposition the B and move the web address up a bit and put it back to its former size. With our example cover complete, we'll download it as a printable PDF. File type, PDF print, which is what KDP wants. Download. Next, we'll open it. And here it is. Next, we'll upload our example cover here in the KDP paperback content section. The paperback manuscript has already been uploaded. So we'll upload the cover we just created in Canva. Upload cover file. It's in Downloads. Select. Open. Confirmation. Cover uploaded successfully. Next, we'll verify that there is no AI-generated content, never in my picture books, and then launch the previewer. This looks really good. All of the text and images are safe within those guidelines, which is very important when the book is printed. So we'll approve it. Paperback content complete. By the way, this is the actual factual cover for this Technology Skills for Kids picture book. Book number 1, Mental Preparation.